Hello, Lions. I hope you're having a great day today. We have another lesson today to help with our healthy minds. In this lesson, you're going to learn the closed syllable type for O, and we'll learn some new sight words because this is going to help you to be an automatic reader and it's going to help with your spelling as well. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is do some segmenting of sounds. So I'm going to say a word and then you're going to tap and stretch out the sounds. So I'll do one as an example for you. So you're going to say rob. Say rob, rob. Now we're going to sound rob. R-A-B, rob. Very good. Let's do another one. Okay, say rib, rib. Let's stretch it. R-I-B, rib. Fantastic. The reason why we do this is because when you're able to stretch out the sounds, that's going to help you when you're trying to spell a word, because then you'll hear each of the individual sounds. And when you're reading and you have to stretch out sounds and you're able to put them all back together again, then you'll be able to read the entire word. Okay, so let's try this for fog. Ready? Say fog, fog. Stretch. F-O-G, fog. Very good. Say fin, fin. Stretch. F-in, fin. Very good. Say log, log. Let's sound it. L-O-G, log. Excellent. Okay, last one. Say gap, gap. Let's sound it. G-A-P, gap. Very good. Okay, so the vowel sound we're going to learn today, it is a closed syllable. There are 6 syllable types that we're going to be learning about. So right now we're focusing on closed syllables. So the syllable type we're going to learn today is for the short O, like in an octopus, octopus. Do you like my drawing? The reason why I have this line here, because this represents that there would be a consonant following the O. And when there's a consonant following the vowel, it makes a short vowel sound. That's why it's called a closed syllable type. I like to think of vowels as if they're either inside a house or they're trying to run outside the house. And so if the door is closed, the vowel cannot say its name. It can only say ah for the O sound. So this is going to say ah, like octopus. So this will be our picture to remind us in case we forget what the short O sounds like. So let's practice all of the vowels that we've learned so far. And so far, they are all closed syllable types because they're being blocked in by a consonant. That's why we have this line here, because it's representing that there would be another letter, a consonant, following the vowel. So this would say, ah. This is a continuous sound like the other vowels we've learned so far. Let's say it together. Ready? Ah, very good. You would stretch it out. Ah, like octopus. All right, our next closed syllable. Ready? This is ah, like the cat is at the chair. Let's stretch it out again. Ready? Ah, very good. This is a continuous sound as well, because we can stretch it out and hold it for a long time. All right, our other closed syllable for I. Remember, that means there's a consonant blocking it in. Okay, ready? I. Good, let's do it together. I. Now your turn. Fantastic. Remember, like the cat is in the chair. Very good. Okay, now what I would like for us to do, we are going to decode some words. So we're going to practice We're going to stretch out the sounds and then we'll put it all together. Okay, ready? In, fin. Very good. Next word, let's do it together. Job, job. Fantastic. You are doing a great job. Next word, top, top. Fantastic. Here we go. Axe, axe. Remember that X, it actually sounds like, it makes two sounds. Sounds like two letters. So let's try it again. Axe, axe. Fantastic. Id, hid. Good. Ox, box. Fantastic. Here we go. Rob, rob. Good job. Ab, cab. Well done. Hot, hot. Okay, we've got a blend at the beginning and the end of this word. Let's try it. Crisp, crisp. Fantastic. Ready? Brand, brand. Now, when I look at this word, remember we try to look for smaller words that we might already know because it can help us read the word more automatically. So I see and at the end. So if I were stretching this out, I would probably say and, brand. Good job. That's just a strategy good readers use. All right, we're going to learn some new sight words. So the new ones we're going to read, spell, read, and then when we review the ones from our last lesson, we'll just read them. Excuse me. Okay, read. R, now spell. A-R-E. Read R. You are doing a great job. Next word, down. Spell D-O-W-N. Read down. Fantastic. Read goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. Fantastic. Make sure I can hear you reading and spelling along with me. Let's read under. Spell U-N-D-E-R. Read under. Fantastic. Read no. Spell N-O. Read no. Spell or read so. Spell S-O. Read so. Good job. Read go. Spell G-O. Read go. Read my. Spell M-Y. Read my. My favorite part of the day is teaching lessons to my fellow lions. Read by. Spell B-Y. Read by. Read Y. Spell W-H-Y. Read Y. Good. Now, don't worry, if you weren't automatic with those words, we're going to be practicing them every day. And we practice them every day, so we're going to become automatic at reading and spelling each of those words. Today, these words, we are just going to go ahead and read them because we've already practiced spelling each of these words. Ready? Read me. Good job. Read he. Read you. Read see. Read a. Read I. Read the. Read she. Read be. Read we. Well done. Good job with those words, guys. Okay, now we're going to practice spelling our words and sounds that we have learned. So go ahead and grab paper and pencil if you don't already have that. Okay, so the first word I would like for us to spell today is fob, like a key fob. It's like an electronic key. So let's stretch, first say fob, fob. Now let's stretch it. F-A-B, fob. Okay, now practice spelling it, and when you're spelling it, I want you to stretch out the sounds as you're writing it. Okay, ready? Fob. F-A-B, fob. Okay, does your word look like this? Very good. So the F, remember, goes to the top line, and the B goes to the top line. None of those letters go below the baseline. Okay, say the word lot. Let's stretch the sound lot. L-A-T, lot. Okay, now practice spelling it, and as you spell, stretch out those sounds. It's going to help you to make sure you include every sound. So, lot. L-A-T, lot. Okay, good. So notice the O only goes to the midline. Very good. I hope your word looks like that, lot. Next word, sat. Say sat, sat. Now let's stretch it. S-at, sat. Okay, now try spelling it and stretch out those sounds as you're spelling. Sat. S-at, sat. Good job. I hope it looks like this. Remember the S and A, they stay below that midline. The T is going to go to the tip top. Say ill, ill. Now let's stretch the sounds for ill. Ill. Okay. Ill. Stretch it out as you're spelling. Ill. Look here. And when we have that L sound at the end, often there are two L's because the word just wouldn't look right if it only had one L, would it? Good job. Now, and also, look at all these words that we spelled so far. So far, all of these words are short vowel sounds, and that is because they are closed syllable types. So like in our cards, our sound cards, see how we have the line? Because that line is representing that there could be lots of different consonant sounds or consonants after that vowel. So these are all short vowel sounds. Now we're going to practice spelling some of our sight words. So the first sight word we are going to spell is see. See. So let me find... Since I can't find it, I'll just write it real quick. Because when we practice the sight words, we want to make sure we're practicing the right letters. Because a lot of times the sight words, you can't sound them out. Sometimes you can, but a lot of times you can't. So C, S, E, E. And when you are spelling the sight words, I want you to say the letters as you write them, because then you will see them and you will hear them at the same time. So C, if you didn't write it yet, go ahead and spell C, S-E-E. Very good. Now the next sight word that we are going to spell is U. So I'm going to write it first, and then you can write it when I'm finished. That way you can look at the example. You. Now remember, I'm going to say it out loud as I'm writing it. That way I see it and I hear it. You. You are doing an amazing job. You. Y-O-U. U, U. So it should look like this. Fantastic. Okay, guys, the last thing we are going to do for our lesson for today is to read a story that has the sounds we're learning as well as the sight words that we're learning. And it's about a picnic. Okay, this story, it's written kind of like a recipe. It has numbers. So we're going to read the numbers as well. All right, let me get myself situated so I can see the story and you at the same time. Ready? Here's the title. A picnic. A picnic. I don't know about you, but I love going on picnics. 1. I will go on a picnic. 2. Add mom and dad. Add sis and Al. Al is my pal. 3. Add my dog. Yes, I would definitely want to take my dogs with me on my picnic. I have a beagle named Daisy and a Shih Tzu poodle named Stanley. Number 4. Add gas in the van. We can fit in the van. 5. Add a big, I can't see that, box. Let's do that again. 5. Add a big box. Now, they spelled out this number because they're all sounds that we know. So let's sound this number. X, 6. Fill the box. Add hot dogs and ribs and milk. That's an interesting combination. I'm getting the second page of our story. Now let me get it situated again. 7. It will be hot. Add hats and a fan. 8. We will be on a hill. Add a big mat. We will sit on it. 9. Add a bat. Al can see me hit. 10. We can go. Good job, guys. I hope you get to take a picnic with your family while you're home. And I cannot wait to see you for the next lesson. Remember, we're going to focus on lessons to help us have happy, healthy hearts, healthy minds, and healthy bodies. Great job. Thanks for joining me today.